Meaning of experience.
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 Experience. Experience refers to the knowledge, skills, and understanding that a person gains through direct involvement in events or activities. It includes both positive and negative outcomes as a result of those experiences. Whether it is a professional or personal experience, it can shape an individual's perspectives and attitudes towards life, decision-making processes, and contribute to their personal growth and development. In short, experience is a valuable teacher that provides individuals with practical learning opportunities and helps them mature and gain valuable insights into various aspects of life.